Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. Today I want to show you how you can get the wiring kit in Subnautica 2. And this is going to be like one of the backbones of your base because when you try to build something like a power cell terminal, scanner station, or like a vehicle upgrade, you're going to need this wiring kit, okay? So guys, it's very simple to get. You can just go to your fabricator in your LifePod. We can click on resources. We can click on electronics, and then we're just gonna need some silver and some copper wire. I have tutorials on how to get copper and how to get silver on this channel, so please check it out, okay? It's very simple. But essentially, for a silver, you just want to go 150 to 300 meters north of the lifeboat, and you're gonna find like a lot of silver there. And if you want to get some copper, you can basically just dive into like different caves and things like that. But yeah, I also have a tutorial so you can check it out. And from there, you're gonna need to crop and to get some copper wire, okay, from the copper, okay. But that's very easy to know. All right, so from here, you're just gonna click on wiring kit and you're gonna build it. That's it, and thank you so much.